And the man tasked with the challenge, media guru Brian Naylor.
Hi, I'm Brian Naylor, and I've been presenting, directing and producing for over 30 years now. And I'm going to show you how doable it is to turn your presenting and your passion into a TV presenting career. I've trained hundreds of people just like you to become professional presenters, and I'll share their stories and show you exactly how they did it so that you can too. So come along to my next webinar. It's absolutely free, and I'll show you everything you need to know to get started. Click the link below and register your free place.